Hi guys, it's Monday, and today I have to finish 2 ratings, 2 commissions, announce a New Year's sale, and design a business card. Let's get going.
I've done from this video, I went on the thesaurus and I was like, okay, is there any other goddamn word I can use to describe this other than an epidemic? But quite honestly, when you look at the situation, or I guess the phenomenon that's happening
I just finished the first rating. I usually send them in email, and I will comment on their profile picture, username and name, category, highlights and bio, theme and posts, and then leave a short comment after. So if you're looking to have a rating like those in my Instagram feed but more detailed, you could support me on Ko-fi and I will send you something like this. So this time I tried to use a mic on the camera to record the audio because the audio last time was shit. So, but after hearing back the audio from the videos, there was this cackling noise and I spent forever trying to fix it, but hopefully it's fixed now. But I was gonna show you guys some designs of my business card, because if you do business, you have to have a business card. That's the law. So, this is the front of the business card. And this is the back. I spent forever trying to figure out what to put on the business card because I had never designed business cards. But I thought it would be a good idea to have these codes for people to scan so they won't have to type in every little information. Because every username or email I have is basically the Tri-Studio something. So it looks cleaner this way anyway. So if you order on the shop, I will put 2 business cards in your order, so you can keep one for yourself and you can give one to your friends too if you recommend my products. And if I bring my bags outside and people ask me where I got the bag, I can give them the business card. I don't know, it just feels more serious if you have a business card. Okay, so the next thing I'm doing is making a post for the 6K Draw This in Your Style winners. If you don't know, I will choose 3 winners from all the entries and then tell them to make a slide for me to post as a promotion, so they can talk about their shop, their commissions, or their account in general, and they will send it to me and I will post it. So they will be exposed to more people. And they actually sent the slide to me a very long time ago, but I held this off for so long, so I just decided that I have to do it today. So these are the slides that you will see later on my account. Yep, and they are the winners. Please check them out. I probably will put their usernames here on the screen. And I am also redrawing my Draw This in Your Style because since I posted the Draw This in Your Style, my art style changed a lot and I actually don't like this anymore. So I will redraw it and then I will post it.
back in my room. That was so embarrassing.
So I was just redrawing the draw this in your style thing for the winners, and I think it's the hats that arrived. So we're gonna open this first because I'm excited. Okay, so I ordered 3 black ones, 3 white ones, and 3 pink ones. They look a little bit big to me, so I'm gonna try this on. Okay, so they actually fit quite well, so I'm gonna design, I think I'm gonna design something to put here, to embroider here tomorrow, and then I can start selling these embroidered caps. Okay, so I finished doing 2 commissions, and now I want to test out these caps, so I'm going to draw something on Photoshop. And I guess I'll show you how I make embroidered products as a whole process, but in a simplified way, because I'm going to do a separate video on that.
Scrooge, but instead of saying bar humbug, he says, humbug. He's found a humbug. And I thought this would make a really cute greeting card. And he's like dressed as Scrooge, but he's really Christmassy. So he's got his little top hat on with candy canes. He's got a little candy cane.
improve your drawing by doing a large quantity of work. Now you don't have to do a prompt every day. I'm going to try and do it every day, but whether I can actually fit it in every day or not is going to be a totally different story, because once you get down to it, it's quite hard. And last year I think I only managed to get 10 done or something like that. It wasn't a lot. And I did plan to get every day done. So yeah, come over and join me if you want. I'll be on Instagram. I need to make the confidence now. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to open up a file, Procreate, jot down some ideas. I've also got a business meeting today. Basically, the UK has incentives for business owners, small business owners, to kind of educate them.
So this is the second attempt, but I think it's still too high up. But because there's a threshold you cannot cross, so it cannot be moved further down. So I'm going to make the entire pattern smaller so it won't look that high up. Let's hope it'll work. Hay à?